Ever find yourself staring down a bill you just can't quite swing in your account? Maybe it's an unexpected car repair, groceries running lower than expected, or that bill you forgot about hiding at the back of the drawer. We've all been there. Thankfully, in today's digital age, there are financial tools available to help us out in a pinch. One such tool is floatme, an app that offers small dollar advances to cover those short-term gaps. But before you jump on the floatme train, a crucial question pops up. Does floatme do a credit check? That's exactly what we'll be diving into today's video. So, buckle up and let's navigate the world of instant financial assistance. The allure of instant cash advance apps. Let's face it, traditional methods of borrowing money can be a drag. Bank loans involve lengthy applications, mountains of paperwork, and waiting, sometimes for weeks, to hear back. Credit cards offer a tempting alternative, but accruing interest rates can quickly turn a small bump in the road into a financial avalanche. Cash advance apps like floatme come in with a solution: small, quick advances to bridge the gap until your next paycheck. Typically, these advances range from $50 to $100, enough for groceries, gas, or that unexpected bill. The repayment terms are also straightforward. Usually, the app debits the advanced amount plus a fee from your account on your next payday. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But with convenience often comes questions, and a big one surrounding these apps is how they assess your eligibility. This is where the credit check question comes in. Understanding credit checks, a glimpse into your financial history. Financial institutions use credit checks to assess your creditworthiness, your ability to repay borrowed money. This involves looking at your credit report, a detailed document containing your credit history, including loans, credit cards, payment habits, and any delinquencies. A good credit score indicates a responsible borrower who repays debts on time. Conversely, a low credit score might raise red flags for lenders, making it harder to qualify for loans or credit cards with favorable terms. So, does floatme do a hard credit check? Here's the good news. Floatme does not perform a hard credit check. This means they won't pull your credit report from major bureaus like Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion, which wouldn't affect your credit score. Instead, floatme primarily relies on alternative data sources to assess your eligibility. This might include your bank account history, income verification through direct deposits, and your history of using the floatme app itself if applicable. Alternative data, a look beyond the traditional credit score. The use of alternative data is a growing trend within the financial services industry. It allows lenders to consider a wider range of factors beyond just your credit score. This can be beneficial for those who are new to credit or have limited credit history. However, it's important to remember that using alternative data sources doesn't guarantee approval. Floatme, like any other lender, has its own criteria for determining eligibility. Using floatme responsibly, keeping your finances afloat. While floatme offers a convenient way to manage short-term financial gaps, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Here are some key points to remember. Only borrow what you can repay. These advances are meant for small emergencies, not lavish spending sprees. Make sure you can comfortably repay the advance plus the fee on your next payday. Beware of the fees. While the fees associated with cash advance apps might seem small, they can add up over time. Try to limit your use of the app and explore other options for larger expenses. Consider alternatives. For bigger financial needs, explore options like credit unions or personal loans, which might offer lower interest rates than cash advance apps. Floatme, a tool, not a crutch. Cash advance apps can be a helpful tool for managing short-term financial bumps. However, it's important to remember that they shouldn't be a crutch. If you find yourself constantly relying on floatme to make ends meet, it might be a sign of a deeper financial issue. Consider creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and exploring ways to increase your income. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and make smart financial decisions.